Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something personal but extremely important. If you've ever wondered whether natural penis enhancement without pills, pumps, or surgery is actually possible, stick around. You've probably seen the crazy claims online. Add inches fast, last longer in bed. But here's the deal, most of that is total BS, until I found this. The Male Enhancement Coach isn't a gimmick. It's a real personalized coaching system run by AJ Big Al Alfaro, a world-renowned expert with over 20 years in male enhancement. This isn't about pills, pumps, or shady surgeries. It's a structured, science-backed coaching system that helps you increase size, boost erection quality, and improve stamina naturally. I've got to be real with you. I was skeptical at first, but after just a few weeks of following Big Al's personalized plan, I started noticing improvements, more control, stronger erections, and yes, visible size gains. Don't just take it from me. Thousands of men have worked with meCOACH and seen massive transformations. Guys adding inches, getting rock-hard confidence, and finally feeling in control of their sex life. This isn't just for guys who want a bigger penis. It's for men who want to feel more confident in bed, reignite their sex life, and overcome ED or stamina issues naturally. When you sign up, you get a complete one-on-one consultation, a custom workout plan, weekly check-ins, and proven training routines. This isn't some ebook, it's a journey with a real coach. So, is Male Enhancement Coach worth it? Absolutely. If you're ready to stop wasting time on things that don't work and finally see real, lasting changes, you owe it to yourself to try this. Ready to unlock your full potential? Click the link in the description to check out Male Enhancement Coach today. Give this video a like, subscribe, and drop a comment with any questions. Stay strong, stay confident.